Repair.
If you're tired of renting or maybe looking to upgrade your living situation, Dina takes us inside a beautiful home with amazing views and gets the scoop on how to make it your new home sweet home.
I know it's going to be a good day when I come to see Yoshi of Utah Home Sweet Homes because we're going to be in a beautiful house. Today is no exception. So good to see you again.
So good to see you as well. Thank you so much. I want to thank my friend Scott Broussard for letting me show this gorgeous home with REI Investment Group. This house is going to actually be on the market. So if anybody is interested, this is a wonderful, beautiful opportunity.
I can't wait to get into the details of where we are, but before we do, tell everyone what Utah Home Sweet Homes is all about.
Yeah, so Utah Home Sweet Home is a company that fixes and flips houses. We also have an investment side where we help our clients buy investment properties. And then we also just help our clients do owner occupied, whether they're buying their first home or rolling up to their fifth home or selling their home. We can help list their properties as well.
He's your guy. He does it all. Now, this is like a prime location, if you ask me.
So
We're
prime.
up here in Salt Lake behind the Capitol. Tell me about your favorite features of this place.
Oh my gosh, the list is so long, but one of the things that I absolutely love that I noticed right when we pulled up is the spectacular view. Right off the gorgeous kitchen, there is a deck that you can have breakfast and see the Capitol, the University of Utah campus. You can see the football stadium, the basketball stadium. You can see all the way down State Street to literally Draper. It's absolutely stunning. The accent wall, when you first enter, amazing. Beautiful architect, beautiful, gorgeous work. And the master bedroom is to die for as well. It's got its own deck that also overlooks the valley. So, so beautiful.
It's a dream. It really is. Let's talk about the Salt Lake City market. We were recently named, what, the trendiest city or one of the trendiest?
Great question. So, believe it or not, in 2019, Salt Lake City was named the trendiest city in America that's still affordable to own a home. So, San Francisco, New York City are probably still trendier, but the home prices there are so expensive, you can't own a home. I thought, how cool is that we're the trendiest city in America, that you can still be a homeowner. I lived in New York City for 20 years. The whole time I was there, I was a tenant. I never bought. I paid rent for 20 years. And here, you get to own. That's what's so amazing about this city.
It's amazing. There's a lot of options. And if you have a family, there's that space, there's that affordability.
Yes.
Now, have we always been this affordable here, or have we kind of gone all over the place on that list?
Yeah, great question. So ironically, also in 2019, according to UtahPolicy.com, Salt Lake City hit the most unaffordable housing markets in the nation at number 20. So we're in last place. So the bad news is we're on this list of unaffordable housing markets in the nation, but the good news is we're number 20. We're in last place. So you can look at that as two different ways. We help a lot of our clients buy investment properties. So if you're an investor and you're purchasing real estate today, then if you're on that side of the fence as a landlord, this is a great thing, because as prices go up and affordability becomes more difficult, more people are going to rent before they own because they won't be able to purchase. So if you're a landlord, it's a great thing. However, if you're shopping, it might not be a great thing to be on the most unaffordable list on America now.
Well, what I'm hearing is that Salt Lake is growing. This is where people want to be. We love it here. There's a reason why. So no matter what you're looking for, you can help them find that dream home.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a competitive market, but they're out there. You've got homes like this that are about to hit the market. And if somebody is interested, I know the guy who's selling this house.
Well, you are the guy to know. Tell everyone where they can find you before we say goodbye.
Yes, you can go to UtahHomesweetHome.com, and my contact information is all on there.
Perfect. Thanks so much for sitting down with me today and showing me this stunning home. Thank you, Yoshi.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Dina. Good Things Utah. We'll be right back.